Hey everyone, per viewer request, today we're going to take a look at some nylon sport bands. These are from Loxan, I don't know if I'm saying it right. And it comes in a 2-pack. So here is the product page. Here's the product page on Amazon. So you can pause that and read it for yourself. As you can see, it's $15.88 with free same-day delivery for qualifying orders $35 and over. So you have to get another product that's also a free same-day delivery, and both of them have to total $35 to get this. And so pause that, read it for yourself. They are quick release. I ordered another nylon strap that was not quick release, and I'm not going to review that, and I had to return it because it's not quick release. Once you get used to these quick release straps, it's hard to go back to the ones where you have to use a tool, like a pin removal tool or something to install or reinstall or uninstall the band, because it's a pain in the butt to do it, especially if your eyesight is not as good as mine's. And if you want to be able to switch your watch bands on the fly, quick release is the way to go. So let's take a look at it now. So like I said, here they are. They come in a 2-pack, and it comes in a Ziploc bag. The watch band I have been using for the past week is this True stainless steel and black ceramic watch band for the Gear S3 that I just removed so I can get ready to use these nylon straps right here and install these. Like I said, these are quick release. So let me just open this package up and get them out for you guys to see. So here they are, and the pins are already installed by default. As you can see, they don't come with any other extra quick release pins because these are already installed. Because they're nylon or some of the rubber ones, silicone ones, you don't have to worry about them falling off like they would here with the stainless steel ones. So let's just take a look at them. So here's a green one and here's a black one. And the beautiful thing about these nylon straps, or they call them NATO straps, is number one, for me, it gives it a military look. And if you're a fan of military watches like I am, because I was in the military, and or you like that military look, and also these nylon straps, just like the silicone straps, are easy to adjust. So let's try them out right now. Take a look, see how they look on my wrist. So here's the green one installed onto the Gear S3 Frontier Edition. This is the default watch face, by the way, for the Gear S3. And it's light. Nylon should be lighter than stainless steel. And I like these buckles right here. They're all metal buckles, including the holders. And like I said, it's okay. So I'll probably do it with the black one, but I had to return another nylon strap that I had because it wasn't quick release. But these are quick release pins, as you can see right there, and they're so easy to install. Once you start using quick release, it's hard to go back to the other way of using a tool. And I have 7.5-inch wrists, and for those of you with much bigger wrists, like say 8.5 or bigger than 7.5, you might have a problem with these wrist straps or these wristbands, watch bands. So I go up to here. So there's 3 more holes that you can adjust to loosen it or whatever if you have bigger wrists. But anything other than that, so I'm gonna say if your wrist is like over 8.5 or 9 inches, you got those big, hulking wrists, these might not be the wristbands for you, but for me and my small, somewhat medium looking wrist, they fit and it's a good look. Like I said, see that with this green one right here, this is probably military green right here, and it looks good. So I can do this right there. Real nice. It's very light. Like I said, these nylon bands should be way lighter than these stainless steel bands that are heavier. By the way, I forgot to mention that this stainless steel was a little lighter than my full stainless steel bands because the ceramic that's on here also is lighter than stainless steel. So that's the green one right there, and see, you get a military look to that. So now let's try out the black one. Okay, I'm going to try to do this on camera for you guys. So here we go. This is the quick release system and why I love it so much, and it's so easy. You just, if you have any kind of nails or even with short nails like mine, you push these down, these pins, push them down, and right there, see, real simple. They come out just like that, real fast, real easy for on the fly switch ups. There we go. We got those out. Now, remember which one goes first, the top part. These, I think this goes here, if I'm looking at it properly. Sure. You should hear, like, I don't know if you guys heard that. There's like a little snap. So it snaps into place inside the hole of the watch. And then here's the other one, the black one. Push down on that. Come on. It's hard doing it through camera because you can't judge the oops, I didn't really have it on. Wait to hear that snap. I can't hear the snap. There you go. And there's a snap. Believe me, it's a lot faster off camera when you don't have to look through the camera to get the pinholes and everything lined up. So let's put the black one on. Same thing, I'm up to here with 3 holes left. I'm like on the 4th hole from the end on these wristbands, wrist straps, and there you go. There's the black one. Still gives it a military look, and maybe like Black Ops or SWAT if you're with the police department. And there you go. And one more thing, another beautiful thing with these quick release straps is you could probably like mix and match them, right? So let's see, let's take this one out because this one's easier to take out. It seems more rigid on the end on this one, so I can like, I'm gonna cheat a little bit and look off camera. There you go, it's snapped into place. So you can mix and match since you have a 2-pack. you got green up here up top and black over here. If you wanted to do it that way, give it a mixed look. So let's put it on again. And like I said, these nylon straps are really nice. Seems very good woven quality. And it seems like they're going to be pretty durable for the wear of this whole watch until you get a new S4, a Gear S4. And there you go. Now I have a mixed look to it. See? So there you go. This is the Loxan Nylon Quick Release Pins NATO Premium Woven Nylon Replacement Wrist Straps for your Gear S3. And probably for any other smartwatch or watch that have a 22mm strap. And that's the beautiful thing about big heads up or big thumbs up to Samsung for making their watch have the standard 22mm straps instead of something proprietary like other companies are doing, like I don't know, Apple, what's another company, Tag Heuer or something like that. They have their own smartwatch that's like $1,500 and doesn't have as many features as the Gear S3, and you can't replace the straps with standard 22mm. They're all proprietary. But this is the Loxan, like I said. You can get it on Amazon for $15.88 with free 2-day delivery, or if you have another product that's also free same-day delivery, Prime, and they total $35 or more, you can get them for free same-day delivery. So that is it for that. Real big thumbs up. Really good product right there. So let me take these out, and there you go. I'm probably going to wear the greens for this week. But that's it. This is the Loxan 2-pair or 2-pack of NATO Premium Woven Nylon Replacement Strap for your Samsung Gear S4. Really highly recommended. I think one of these straps by themselves are like $9 or something like that. Maybe $9 or $10. So you get a much better bargain for getting two of them for $15.88, almost $16. So that is it. Big thumbs up again, like I said, for number one, for them being quick release, unlike another nylon strap that I ordered and have to return. And they're very light and very easy to install, and they look good. It gives it a military look or a more sportier look for your Gear S3 Frontier Edition, which is supposed to be the sportier edition of your Gear S3. So that is it. Everybody, take care, and we'll see you again for another video. Have a great day.